Hey guys, today let's explore the world of portable foldable bathtubs and bringing the luxury of bath to any corner of your home or beyond. Perfect for those who crave a soothing soak without the permanent fixture. These top 12 bathtubs offer comfort, convenience and the flexibility. Let's dive into the best portable foldable bathtubs for a spa-like experience anywhere and anytime. So guys, we will start from number one. At number one is portable bathtub, hot tub with a bath pillow, which is cost you $41, 3.8 out of 5 star, and this is compact and easy to store. This tub is perfect for small spaces and travel purpose. Next one is number two. At number 2 is foldable bathtub, portable soaking bathtub, which is cost you around $44 and 3.9 out of 5 star from 261 global customer review and ratings. This bathtub is lightweight and foldable. It is great for camping trips and the indoor use. Third is portable foldable bathtub, separate family bathroom spa tub, which is cost you around $61, 3.8 out of 5 star. This bathtub is and this bathtub features a sturdy frame and foldable design, making it easy to set up and put away. At number 4 is Genrenyen portable bathtub for adult foldable PVC spa soaking standing bathtub, which is cost around $38, 4.2 out of 5 star and from 55 customer review. This design for durability and easy assembling, perfect for a spa day at home. So indulge in the luxury of bathtub wherever you go with those top 12 portable foldable bathtub. From camping adventures to cozy home spa days, these tubs offer relaxation on your term and enjoy a soak whenever life take you. And this collection of portable foldable bathtub is meticulously crafted using criteria such as the customer feedback, best customer feedback, review and ratings, and competitive price, and those that have achieved the highest online sale figure. You need not to look any further to make your optimal selection. These portable bathtubs for your needs can be found within our compilation, sparing you ample time otherwise spend lots of time in the online. And for a comprehensive overview of the complete portable foldable bathtub selection, I invite to stay tuned until our video end. And studio encounter if studio encounter your best portable foldable bathtubs that resonate most with your requirement, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our YouTube channel. And please be noted, price may be vary in future, and I share all the bathtubs buy links, purchase link in the description box below. You can buy from there, and I hope you will get your best portable foldable bathtub from our list. Thank you guys, and keep watching our video until the end for entire list. Thank you.